ka nyau trep youth council ne ke HYC hynne ka sngi ka khat tarik risaw hapoh ka jingialam u president ka Seng uba Robert Kharjahrin kilali ia kynduh ya myntri ka Sorkar khlaw u James Sangma ban kyntu yak Sorkar jylla bakan Shimkhia halor ki khubor ka jingbthei ban jingpei ki Jaka Pyllang jaboh Uranium Nongbah Jynrin southwest Khasi Hils ban thaw da ka expert committee ban peit halor ka ne ka kam.
When he made the visit, during that visit he found out that the radiation level in that particular area is very high, and because of this radiation it has made people residing in that particular area to be in a panicking mood. So our meeting today with the Honorable Minister who is in charge of the Forest and Environment Department is to apprise him of the situation of the area, and also to apprise him that there are not only those 4 tanks that have been reported earlier. A member through the headman of that area was made aware that there are 2 more tanks who have been left unattended. They have not even been covered. So this has made the people in that area in a very panicking mood. So we have made a demand to the Honorable Minister concerned and to the government of Meghalaya that an expert committee should be formed. Because what we have seen in this last few weeks is that the local administration, which is the DC and the police, they went for inspection. We all know that the police and the magistrate are not technically, they are not expert in the sense that they will know what is the radiation level of that area, or is it the radiation level is dangerous or not to the people residing in the area. So we have made a demand that an expert committee should be formed. Help of those people should be sought, and the government should make an effort that all these tanks that have been left unattended or there was the report of leakage and all should be sealed off completely. And we have made this demand before the government also that some amount of money should be kept so that these tanks that have been left unattended since the year 1990s, which is already they may burst at any time. So the government should take steps as early as possible to once again reseal that area completely, so that no amount of radiation should be spread and it will not be dangerous to the people living in that area.